all. This is Megan Singh with a course reflection video for EDAC 780, Seminar in Practical Applications in Scholarship and Adult and Community Education with Professor Bo Chang. In addition to learning a lot about the field of family literacy through my research this semester, I had two other main takeaways from the course. First, the exposure to the genre of dissertation writing was essential to my early understanding of the dissertation process. As a first-year student in the EDD program, this course provided me with essential knowledge about Chapter 1 and beyond. Through this semester's assignments, I also strengthened my literature review skills, which will support my learning in future courses as well. I want to share just a few things that I disliked about the course. First, since I am in my first year of the EDD program, I thought I had more time to narrow my dissertation topic. I feel like students should be aware prior to enrolling in this course that they need to have a topic selected. 1 or 2 weeks at the beginning of the semester was not enough time, resulting in me writing a Chapter 1 that will likely have very little to do with my actual dissertation. Next, I felt like the fieldwork assignment was not a great option for our group project. It would be difficult to work with a group considering the unique nature of our topics. Luckily, the group work was optional. However, it puts greater work on those who work independently and disadvantages students who enjoy working in groups but have a niche topic. Lastly, I recommend that Professor Chang links the assignments in the to-do list on Canvas so that students do not need to enter the course and search through modules to reach the assignments each week. Next, I would like to draw your attention to 4 points of what I enjoyed about this course. First, I appreciated the opportunity to review existing dissertations. This was a formative activity for me as a student still at the beginning of the program. Additionally, the cycle of reviewing a published dissertation before writing a section of our own Chapter 1 supported my learning experience. Next, I appreciated the textbook recommendations at the beginning of the course and the incorporation of videos to guide our writing each week. Lastly, I felt that the pacing of the course was comfortable and appropriate for a graduate student. Finally, I would like to offer some advice for future students. First, use this course as an opportunity to narrow your topic. However, if you cannot determine the precise topic of your dissertation, know that there is still value in learning about the genre. With this in mind, I recommend reading more dissertations than what is required in the early assignments. This is something that I wish I had done more of this semester. Lastly, to make your life easier at the end of the semester, I recommend compiling your final project throughout the assignments. After Professor Chang leaves some comments on your post, revise your writing and paste it into a Word document that will serve as your final project. Thank you for watching.